The Galaxy S9 Plus, one of the best phones of 2018. Looked like Samsung had took the smartphone game to the next level. In the past 4 years, we've seen a lot of different devices and some unique things that's going on with Samsung. And now in 2019, we got the Galaxy S10s on deck. But should you upgrade to the latest phones? Let me give you my thoughts in this video. So let's take a ride down the memory lane and see how the Galaxy S9 Plus have aged over the past year. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up guys, this is Eric back with another video. So the Galaxy S9 Plus have hit its 1 year anniversary and it's a winner in my book. Let's go down and talk about these good specs on the Galaxy S9 Plus. It has a huge 6.2 inch almost edge-to-edge display Quad HD Plus with a Snapdragon 845 processor, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage with SD card support. We got a 3500 milliamp battery, and on the rear we got dual cameras, 12 megapixels, and in the front we got an 8 megapixel camera. And this device can be upgraded to Android 9.0 with Samsung new UI. Due to the camera mode that's removed in Android 9.0, I decided to keep this device running Android 8 until Samsung either fix or add Video Pro mode or a replacement. So let's talk about the design of the Galaxy S9 Plus. One thing about Samsung, it's the gold standard on how beautiful a phone should look with its huge 6.2 inch display, which is gorgeous. I mean gorgeous, almost edge to edge with minimal bezels that pops. But we already know Samsung makes the best screens period on any mobile device. Also, you have all the ports you need on the device, such as USB Type-C and a headphone jack. So overall, the look and feel of the Galaxy S9 Plus gets a 9 out of 10. And one of the reasons why is because of Bixby, obviously, and the removal of Pro mode that's stopping me from upgrading to Pi at this time. Okay, so what about the performance on the Galaxy S9 Plus? With the 845 processor with 6 gigs of RAM, I found myself loving this device even more. The days of touch whiz and lagginess is over. Samsung have stepped up to the plate and took care of business with their Galaxy devices. The Galaxy S9 Plus is a speed demon with no hiccup, no stuttering, and you can play any high-end games in the App Store with no problems. All these performance issues that they've had in the past, with their new Galaxy phones, you have no problems with performance. So with the 845, 6 gigs of RAM, oh yeah, it's a winner. Definitely a winner when it comes down to performance. Okay, so let's get into it. How about these cameras? Dual 12 megapixel cameras in the back and the 8 megapixel camera in the front. I've done a full comparison video between the Galaxy S8, the Galaxy S9, and the Galaxy S10. And it's shocking to see how good the Galaxy S9 cameras are. Let me show you some footage here between this camera in action. So check this out. As you can see, the Galaxy S9 Plus held its own against the Galaxy S10. Overall, the cameras here are very good. So how about the battery life on the Galaxy S9 Plus? It has a huge 3500 milliamp battery. It's good, it's not stellar. I'm getting about 5.5 to 6 hours of on-screen time with medium to heavy use. It's not bad, it's not the best, but with fast charging and stuff like that, you could top off and get a fast charge with this device. But your mileage may vary when it comes down to battery life, especially if you crank up the display all the way to 1440p and you have high-end brightness. So your mileage may vary when it comes down to battery life on the Galaxy S9 Plus. For me, medium to heavy use, 1440p, medium brightness, I'm getting about 5.5 to 6 hours of on-screen time on the Galaxy S9 Plus. 1 year later, that's not bad at all. So let me give you my conclusion. The Galaxy S9 Plus is a great device with a beautiful design, great cameras, fast performance, a gorgeous display, a headphone jack, no notch, which is great, but it does have some cons. Battery life is okay, not the best, and also the removal of Pro mode when it comes down to video with Android 9.0, which is a bummer for me. But the big question is, should you upgrade to the Galaxy S10? That's a good question. Listen, my answer to that question is yes. I'm gonna give you my reason why. Because all the huge deals that's going on with the Galaxy S10, Best Buy doing the $550 off the Galaxy S10 with a trade-in of your Galaxy S9 Plus, and also with the BOGO deals that's going on with all the high-end trade-ins for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Why not take the advantage to get the latest and greatest device for cheap? In my opinion, I believe that the Galaxy S10 is a huge step up in so many places compared to the Galaxy S9 Plus. For $550 off a Galaxy S10, it's a steal of a price, and that's my opinion. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S9 Plus in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.